Going over the trading system signals for Friday, December the 4th, 2020. Chopper continues to model this market well. We've talked about this strategy for a while. We aren't trading it. Historically, it doesn't do well. But if you look at how it's performed in the E-mini NASDAQ since September, it's done pretty well. There's been a couple of drawdowns right here and right here. But since November the 9th, and especially this month, just equity peak after equity peak, you see the trades. Today in gold, it's up 54.45. The equity curve is not as nice in gold as it is in the NASDAQ. But here's the NASDAQ. But in the NASDAQ, you can see how it's done this week. Really nice trades, up 5,000 yesterday, up about 3,000 or 2,500 yesterday, or Wednesday, and up about 1,400 today. Just a narrow, choppy range. And when this strategy does well, a lot of times traditional trading systems either don't trade or there's not a lot of room for profit if you buy it and it doesn't go up or down and it just chops. And so that is Chopper, where you still have uncertainty around election, coronavirus. Market is sitting at all-time highs. VIX is at 20.5, and it's just kind of a holding pattern here. Will this surge higher, or will there be some profit taking? We're biased to the upside based on the Fed. And so let's go over the trading system signals on the day. Some pretty good signals on some of these strategies. We are mainly researching this month more than trading, but today there are some good trading signals even in this narrow range. Cobra 3 mini S&P futures approaching 3,700 as we are about 7 minutes until the stock market close at 4 p.m. Eastern time, and 22 minutes away from the futures day session close. Adaptive moving average is long all day, plus 637.50. These numbers change by the tick. Plus 225 in Cobra 3. 60-minute breakout, plus 600 after hours. Took the trade last night, plus 250. Asia 4 long finally hit its profit target from this entry back here on December the 1st. It is a $1,500 profit target and a $1,000 stop loss type strategy. So took a long time to get there. Yesterday, Night Trader, not today, but yesterday Night Trader had its 11th winner in a row. Certainly a highlight as it recovers from its drawdown that we had. E-mini NASDAQ, SR counter trend 2, E-mini NASDAQ plus 775 on the day. AT 2020 plus 700 on the day. Tick count trend in Q plus 670 on the day. Tick pullback, one of the top trades on the day, plus 1180. This is a really good entry. Love this entry. The S&P went up and the NASDAQ went down. So there's some divergence, and we captured it, and we will hold this into the 1 minute before the futures close at 3:14 p.m. Central Standard Time. Tick pulse NQ minus 475 on the day, lost, and then it got long again, but no follow through yet. We have 5 minutes to go. Sometimes at the very end of the day, the market can surge, but we're sitting at all-time highs, so I don't know. It's a Friday. I don't know that much will happen the next 5 to 20 minutes between the stock market close and the future close. 60-minute breakout plus 270 on the day. Gap continuations, those struggle with these tight stops. Minus 652 losses on gap continuation 2020, minus 652 losses on gap continuation 2019, and minus 50 on Cobra 3. So no follow through on the trend strategies. The dip buying or getting in at the open has worked well today. We'll go over the beta strategies next, since those are mostly stock indexes. So Beta V, VSD, 3 losses, small losses though, minus 580 on the day, as the market just will not go higher. The market has the tendency to surge when it's trying to recapture old ground, but we're at all-time highs. We're going to need a lot to push this to higher highs. Here's gap continuation 2019, the big stop loss that took one trade, lost 725 on the day. So just no luck with gap continuations lately. Viper plus 90, we're not recommending that one. Tick Fader down on the day, minus 625. EVP1 had a interesting close yesterday, got short, reversed to long. Today got long at the open, reversed to short, now reversed to long, plus 540 on the day. The C strategies, Beta C, Tick Waves are long, plus 912.50 on Tick Wave, E-mini S&P. It's already exited the trade. Tick Wave in Q, It's flat on the day. The ES did take that trade though, so plus 9, 12.50, good highlight on one of the new strategies. 60-minute breakouts. This is what I'm talking about. You get a breakout and then the market comes straight back, and so you kind of need a delayed breakout in the current market mode. But PR breakout also minus 325, so delayed entry on those breakouts. Say you get the signal and then you get in on a pullback. VSD, ES plus 200 on the day. This breakout strategy has a bigger stop loss, so it's still in from this breakout. So you need a little bit bigger stop loss or delayed entry in the current market environment. That does not mean we just change the strategy for the current market environment. We're looking at the long-term market environment as well. So those are mainly the stock index strategies and the new beta strategies that we're looking at. Let's look at crude oil. No trades on crude oil. Crude oil creeps higher, approaching 50. Silver, no trades on the day. Gold, Asia Gold 4. We had 2 winners this week on these strategies, and today they were stopped out near the lows, right at the lows, 1832.80. The low is 1832, so stopped out on that trade. But Cobra Gold was profitable, plus 575, and Gold Flash was up on the day. This hasn't done well this year. We don't recommend it, but it did well today on the jobs report. Has a tendency to do well on the jobs report historically, but this year it's been more challenging. So Gold Flash is one we have on the sidelines as far as next year. And there's the closing bell. The NASDAQ did move higher on the day, and so some of those strategies are exiting right now. Euro, short trade on the day. It's really calling these trades. Three longs in a row, and then short. Cobra Euro 4 has really been in sync with this market. And then natural gas, 4 losses on the day. These all lost on the ESR counter trends. Got a bit oversold. Tried to short it, and it rallied on us. And so those are the trades. Let's see. RBOB, no trades. Soybean swing got short on the day, and it's up 62.50 at the close, holding over the weekend. Grains day trader 3 got short, stopped out on a break-even stop. So those are the trades on the day. A lot of activity here at the close. Mainly a research month as we continue to wait for the new set of portfolios that we're still working on to show improvements, to show actually profitable months. And month of December, we want to see how it looks in December based on the strategies that we set up for 2021, and then go forward from there. We are trading some, but mainly a research month for December 2020. And those are the trades on the day for December the 4th.